Hey YouTube, you already know who it is. It's your girl Styles Latte, and I'm here with this hair review about this hair that I have installed in my head. If you haven't seen the quote unquote initial review, click off this video, but make sure you come back and go watch that video right now because I'll be here when you get back. Okay? So let's jump into this freaking hair review. Okay, like. For one, I told you I was getting this hair put in for my birthday. It's my birthday. But if you already follow me on, Instagram, Snapchat, then you've seen this hair all day since yesterday sometime when I got it installed. But we're gonna jump into the rundown of this hair, the specs and everything, how it's upholding and all that good kind of stuff. Okay, we're gonna talk about all that in here. So just in case you wanted to see what the back look like, but we're gonna jump into this review. We're gonna talk about everything. We're gonna talk about my stylist that I went to. We're going to talk about the pros and cons of this video. So let's go. Hey guys, so okay, this hair we all know I got from Dhgate or whatever, and this hair, alright, so this is from my stylist standpoint. Okay, I went to a young lady named Amber. She owns a studio, or I guess a salon called Studio A, up in like the Northeast, basically. So I went to her, get my hair done or whatever. When I say, yo, she is very like sweet and like humble, no lie. And she, when I say takes her time, like precision with her is like at its most, high or whatever. Like she wants to make sure that the hair is coming out right, that it is laying right. Like if it ain't right, we're gonna take it over, we're gonna do it over, blah 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 blah. So that's the one thing about her that I like. It took a long time, granted. Like this shit took some time to like master on my head. One, because she said my 360 was like too small, but she made this shit work. You know what I'm saying? Like she made this shit. I guess my braids ain't that cute. She fucked shit up. So I spent a couple hours. Like this took a couple hours. Let's just put that out there. This did take a couple hours to master, and I love it. Like I was so afraid of the brightness of the color. I know it's kind of giving off yellow, but can you see it right there? But the hair is like really, really nice, and I want to try to show y'all, because this is a lot of hair. This is 3 bundles. And then like the frontal is all the way on my neck. So this is all 3 bundles of the hair, except let me show y'all what she had left over. This is it. This is what she had left over. So this will be my test strands if I want to do some color to this hair. And that's all I had left over from the 360 and all 3 bundles. Now, yes, it is very big and like very full. In my nape area, it is kind of nappy a little bit. I haven't really been able to go back here, and I haven't been able to like brush through, only because I want to let my, y'all see how it look tangled? So I really have to get back here. But that's one thing that I was kind of wary about, to see if the hair would tangle, granted with all this hair on my head. It's not a wig, so sorry y'all. It's not a wig, so this is on my head, so this is really going to be some maintenance. The inches once again are 22-inch frontal, a 26, a 28, and a 30. And like back here is really like, I'm gonna really have to put a brush to back here because and my neck is not so smooth because the hair is so thick. But up here it's fine. Like I haven't really played with the hair. Like after I got out the salon because I got out late, this is how the hair was, and I just been leaving it like this ever since. This hair is shedding. I know I put in an initial review, and granted, you never judge the initial review, you always judge the 2-week later review. The hair is shedding. She said when she just wet my frontal, it kind of just started shedding. I didn't have that issue when I first washed it, but when she went to, first she had to bleach it, so I don't know if that's what made it shed some more. She did do a lot of plucking. And even though this was supposed to be a pre-plucked frontal, well, 360 frontal, she had a lot of plucking to do. Also, trying to fit it on my head was a hassle. Like, guys, when I say this took a long time to install, like, tops, it took like 4 hours for this. Like, so when your stylist tell you like this ain't no walk in the park, we gonna be sitting for a minute, believe them, you gonna be sitting for a minute. So yeah, so the texture of the hair itself and my head, it's okay. Like I'm not really doing anything with it to see like how it's gonna hold or anything, but as you can tell, like on the ends it's really like stringy looking. Like, yeah, so I have to cut, definitely have to cut these ends. Once I have everything like straightened out, I'm definitely gonna have to comb these ends because these ends are like just dangling on, and every time I go through I'm pulling strands out like something crazy, and I don't want a bunch of blind strands all over my floor. So that's another thing. Second, this hair also, it's tingling. I don't like tingling hair. Like, granted, this shit is all the way on the back of my neck, so hair's gonna tangle, but it's tangling like okay. I'm trying to see if y'all can see back here. Oh no, back here, all in, I got y'all all in my neck. Jesus, all back here is tangled, and I haven't been able to really like get in there and like brush that out, only because I'm trying to make sure the glue sticks. So yeah, this is what the back of it looks like, just in case all y'all want to be in my kitchen, you know. I don't know if y'all can see, but yeah, that's what it looks like. But y'all can see this is a lot of hair. So she told me 24 to 48 hours to before even pulling it up, so I'm not going to go with a brush and go pulling and I pull my shit off. So I'm cool with waiting. I don't have a problem with it. She did a 2-braid style with a pull up and a braid in the middle, something simple, something cute. And you know, the part, it doesn't go back that far. It goes back, like I said, about 3 inches. So it's not really a deep part, but it does part anywhere. Don't have an issue with that. Yeah, so I haven't done any curls with it. I haven't tried this hair with the heat. Well, she did. She used a flat iron on my my hair up here, and it took, you know, to heat really good. So that's always a plus. Yeah, so the real test will come on my party, but the hair, it's doing its job. Oh, I hit something. Because I got bobby pins in here. So, bobby pins keeping my braid together. And I think I just snugged one. Ouch. Yeah, but this shit is really tight. I don't, if you ask him what kind of glue she used, I honestly don't remember. If you really want to know, just ask me and I'll contact her and find out. I'm also going to leave her Instagram below so you guys can check out her Instagram. She is Philly based. She is specializing in human hair also. Human hair. She does natural hair, I mean. Also, and she does weaves. And, you know, she colors them in colors too. So, I love the 1B though. Like, I don't think I could have went full blonde. Now I'm looking at it, I probably could have, but it really would have been different. But I like my dark roots and then my blonde hair. Whichever pin, there it is. That one was snagging. Yeah, but she just got me twisted up in here. It's really cute. It's really cute. What else can I say about this hair? Other than the back of my nape area being tangled, like, I don't have any other issues. I don't have any other problems. The hair is, you know, what it can be for the first couple of hours. It hasn't even been in my hair for 24 hours yet. So, I'm just trying to, and this is, I already cut some of the edges off. It still comes down literally like to my hips. So yeah, this is your plus size Barbie. You know, I am going to do it like silky bone straight for my party and my outfit. So I'm gonna have like that Barbie type of straight hair, and then I'll probably rebraid my frontal back up at the top. But this hair is really nice though. Like, it's really nice. It's really big. I'll tell you that much. And to the back of me, it goes literally to my eggs. So, this is the hair in its natural state also. So yeah, you see how it like gets a little white down there, but yep. So this is what the hair looks like in its natural state. And this is all the hair that I have installed. So this video wasn't going to be long. I'll do and post some pictures in this video for you guys. If you have any questions about this hair, how much it costs, I know I put in my last video that the the prices had changed drastically. When I ordered my hair, it cost me $335. When I went back to look before I made that video, no, while I was editing that video, that hair is now almost $600. So they haven't issued me no type of like coupon for you guys to use. I will contact the company though, just to see, because I am, you know, talking about their product, and the product has definitely like skyrocketed. So I'll talk to them about some type of promotion code or something I can get for you guys if you are interested in ordering this hair. First, I do definitely want to go back to my stylist, Amber. I appreciate the time that she took on my head and everything. Like, she did a hell of a job. And Amber, if you are watching this video, I appreciate you. I couldn't thank you enough last night for making my birthday, like, my frontal, this shit is still tight, and I'm just in love. Like, the confidence from her and her assistant was just crazy, and I felt welcome. And you know, it's different when, you know, you just giving people money to do your hair and they don't take pride in their work. And I will say, she takes great pride in her work and makes sure that you leave happy, that you're satisfied, everything's okay. And I love her customer service. I love her dedication to what she does, you know. But once again, I will drop her Instagram below. Make sure y'all go follow her and book up your appointments. And if you have any other questions or anything else you would like to know, drop them below also. Make sure you thumbs this video up if you're not a subscriber. I don't know why you're not, but make sure you click that subscribe button and check out your girl. Make sure you turn that bell on also, so it'll ring a ding 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 every time I post a video. I am going to insert some videos, some pictures in here so you guys can see the hair, but I really hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. I'm sorry I look Chinese. Shit tight, you know. I look a little chinky when you hear tight. But thank you to everybody and their birthday wishes on my Instagram and my Snapchat. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you guys later.